we will be performing an activity as how to change the backdrop or the background of the Scratch programming. Over here, as you are able to see, a small code is there. I will be performing the same code, but before performing the same code, there are few steps which were required to go for it. So what I am doing, I am opening the Scratch part over here. You are able to see that the background is empty now. Now this was the thing that from where we have to select the background, either directly click on this button or you should be clicking on the search bar. So I'm clicking over here. You will be getting varieties of categories over here. I will be going in Indo. In Indo, I am seeing bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2, bedroom number 3, chalkboard, concert hall, party, theaters, room 2, room 1, witch house, refrigerator. I'll be going with bedroom 3. So over here, when you are selecting bedroom 3, you click on the bedroom. You will be able to see over here the code is changing. If I'm clicking the sprite, you will be able to see costume over here and the motions will be highlighted when I'm clicking the sprite. But when I'm clicking the backdrop, the motion won't be highlighted because it is assumed that the stage must be fixed. The stage must not be moving. Hence, for background, we are not providing any type of animations. So I require to go on backdrop. You are able to see first it is the clear background. Now I don't want it, hence what I'm doing, I'm deleting this part. Now my animation will start with bedroom 3. Come to the code part again. Now what I require to do, I require to select one more background over there. So what I'm doing, I'm choosing a backdrop. Choose a backdrop over here. I will be typing school. So you are able to see chalkboard and school. I am selecting school. Come to the backdrop. We have to start with, see, I have selected 2. So you are able to see both the backdrop over here. First it is bedroom 2 or bedroom 3 and then it is school. So I am starting with bedroom. And if I want to code, remember if I want to code, what you have to do, you have to come in code and you have to click the sprite button over there. You're required to click the sprite button. As soon as you are clicking on the sprite button, you will be able to see all the codes. So what I'm doing over here now, I will be typing the code. I will be typing the code that is there in the presentation itself. So first, you all are aware we have to go in which particular part, bacha? We have to go in events. So I'm going in events. I will be typing when green flag is clicked. When green flag is clicked, and the next thing I will be going to looks part. Looks part, switch background 2. Now you are able to see over here I have selected two backdrops. One it is the bedroom 3 and the other is school. So we have to select from bedroom 3. That means my animation is going to start with bedroom number 3. Now moving ahead with the presentation or moving ahead with the coding part, what is the next code that we are able to see over here? Now as you are able to see, my cat is at the center. What I will do, I will drag the cat at the extreme corner of the screen. And you are able to see the coordinates over here. One coordinate is 189, the other coordinate is 127. So what I'm doing, I'm going to the motions, go to XY. What is X coordinate that I'm able to see over here? The X coordinate that I'm able to see is 129 and the Y coordinate is 127. So that is fixed. Now what I will be doing, if I want the cat to say something, so I'll be going in looks. In looks, I'm dragging, saying good morning for how many seconds? 2 seconds. So I'm telling good morning. Good morning for 2 seconds. And then again I will be selecting say over here. I have to rush to school. I have to rush to school. I have to rush to school over here. Now, till here it's done. Now what I require the cat to move at the extreme corner of the screen over here. So you are able to see the coordinates is 185 and 123. So what I am doing, I will be going to the motions again. I require to slide it. So there is an option called as G slide. I will be selecting this. Now I am giving 2 over here because the motion, or after it will be done, I am going to show you. What is the coordinate? 187 and minus 123. Run it and see how it is doing. Good morning. I have to rush to school, and you are able to see the cat is moving very fast. So what I require to go for 2 seconds then. Good morning. I have to rush to school, and now the motion is very slow. Now after this, what I require? After this, I require that the background should change. So I am going to looks again. In looks, you will be able to see switch backdrop. Now the backdrop has to be school. Running it one more time. Now this is the part. Now where you require your cat or the sprite to be at the starting part. So I'm keeping it over here. See what are the coordinates? 190 and 126. So what I'm going for motion. Again I'll be selecting go to X and Y. Go to X and Y, it is 190. So it is minus 190 and it is minus 126. So this part is done. Next, I go to looks. A very simple code. Say hello. Over here I will be writing I am so excited to go to school. This part is done. Now I require that the cat should be moving to the gate of the school. So over here you are able to see X coordinate as minus 17 and Y coordinate as minus 42. So again in motions where I will be going, go to X, that is minus 17, and Y, that is minus 42. Now see how it will be done. Moving. First it is starting with the first background, that is the bedroom 3. It is rushing over here. It will be coming. I'm so excited to go to school, and the motion was very fast. What I have done, over here, after saying I require not to go for XY, I will be deleting this particular part. I will be going to G slide. G slide, and what are the coordinates over here? Minus 17 and 50 and minus 42, and I'm changing it to 2. One more time, stopping it, maximizing it, and running it. Good morning. I have to rush to school. The cat is rushing. The scene changes now. I'm so excited to go to school. Yes. So over here you are able to see a very simple code of as how I'm changing the background. I hope this particular part was very clear to all of you as how I'm changing the background of or backdrop of the stage.